What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Now I'm at IFA 2018 Berlin and I've just got my hands briefly on the LG G7 ThinQ and wanted to share my thoughts. This smartphone is slim and light, premium metal build, and you have a super bright 6.01 inch Quad HD Plus screen with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The phone feels very snappy. In fact, this has the Snapdragon 845 with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. There is a 3000 mAh battery and I'm always happy to see the headphone jack. Now this year, LG's emphasis is on sound quality and this phone has a larger built-in LG boombox speaker with DTS:X 3D surround sound with a hi-fi quad DAC, which aims to provide a massive sound boost. So this smartphone also has NFC wireless charging and it's IP68 certified waterproof. Now you do have an AI camera, enhanced far-field voice recognition so you can use the microphone up to 17 feet away, and a super ultra bright 1000 nit screen which is indeed very bright and nice to look at. Now coming to the cameras, we have dual 16 megapixel cameras and the main camera has a wide angle lens. I did manage to take some sample shots and here they are. So I did manage to run a quick Antutu benchmark test and the G7 achieved a total benchmark of over 210k. So let's see how this compares in our top performing smartphone chart for 2018. So as you can see, the LG G7 ThinQ has achieved position 10 on this chart. You can view all my latest charts online at chigstech.com and read them at your leisure. So I enjoyed playing around with this smartphone and you can pick this up in 4 different colors: Aura Black, Platinum Grey, Moroccan Blue and Raspberry Rose. And I have to say I really like the Moroccan Blue color. I believed LG also unveiled the G7 Fit and the G7 One, both of which target the budget market and are lower spec'd. So the LG G7 ThinQ feature-wise has everything from NFC to wireless charging and IP68 certification. The unique extras in the sound department is what makes this smartphone stand out. So that was my quick look at the LG G7 ThinQ. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.